Imagine taking a walk to school and suddenly realizing that you are completely surrounded by hundreds of different living, breathing green friends. That is exactly what happens to three friends, Gopu, Simi, and Raj. Today we are tagging along on their morning walk to explore the beautiful green world all around them. Welcome to the chapter Getting to Know Plants. Get ready to explore. As the three friends walk, they quickly notice that plants come in all sorts of amazing shapes and sizes. First, they look way up high and see trees. Trees are giant plants with thick, hard wooden stems called trunks. Raj's absolute favorite is the jamun tree, which has smooth, shiny leaves and small, yummy fruits. Trees have deep roots to stay perfectly stable, give us cool shade, and help the entire environment by producing fresh oxygen for us to breathe. But what about the medium-sized plants? Those are called shrubs. Instead of one giant thick trunk, shrubs have many smaller stems that give them a very bushy appearance. If you have a beautiful tulsi plant or a rose bush in your garden, you are looking at a shrub. Looking even closer at the ground, the friends find herbs. Herbs are small plants with soft, tender, and flexible green stems that never become hard or woody. They are often used in cooking or medicine, like fresh mint or a tomato plant. A very special type of herb is grass. Grasses have long, thin, flat leaves and hollow stems. They are incredibly important because their roots hold the dirt together and prevent the soil from washing away. And here is a mind-blowing fact. The delicious pulses we eat every day, like tur, moong, and urad dal, actually come from a type of grass. Now, not all plants are strong enough to stand up straight on their own. Climbers are plants with thin, flexible stems that need a little help. They use walls, fences, or even other trees for support so they can climb high up to reach the warm sunlight, just like a money plant or grapevines. On the other hand, we have creepers. Creepers also have weak, flexible stems, but instead of climbing upward, they spread horizontally, lying flat across the ground to cover the soil. Think of heavy fruits growing on a pumpkin plant or watermelon vines. As the friends continue their walk, Raj points out something amazing. Plants don't just look different, they smell different too. Leaves come in all sorts of colors, shapes, and sizes. But plants like coriander, curry leaves, and lemongrass each have their very own distinct fragrance. Simi shares that she loves the smell of crushed mango leaves. In fact, Raj shares that his brother, who is unable to see, can easily identify delicious fruits like mangoes, pineapples, jackfruit, and guavas simply by using his nose to smell their strong, sweet aroma. Finally, to truly know a plant, you have to know all its special working parts. Hidden safely underground are the roots, which firmly anchor the plant and drink up water and nutrients from the soil. Above ground is the stem, acting like an elevator to transport that water. The leaves are like tiny kitchens that perform a magic trick called photosynthesis to make food for the whole plant. The beautiful flowers are the parts that produce seeds and eventually turn into yummy fruits. And hidden right inside those fruits are the seeds, which hold the incredible magic of a brand new baby plant waiting to grow. So the next time you take a walk outside, look closely, smell the leaves, and see how many different types of these amazing green friends you can identify.